Welcome everyone. This is another Playmobil Catapult or shooting crossbow type unit, which we're always looking into for serious wargaming. This is 70224 from the Novelmore line. And this is a cool multi-shooting crossbow type. You get these two figures in there, the Norman and Bruce. Sure, what? Here's the side of the box. Apparently there's some maps or other things. Here's the basic shooter, and you can see it has multi. I'm just going to show on the back here. It has multi shooting capacity. How many is on here? Yeah, you can shoot 3 of these at a time, and they give you different bolts, and you get those figures and other things. This should be a quick, easy build. So we're going to do that right now with this unit. Is there anything else to show on here? Not really. So let's open this up and get this assembled. Again, I'm always looking for quality shooting capacities, based on a lot of the old games like crossbows and catapults. And these were great games. They always had kind of undervalued shooting because of safety regulations. So let's take a look in here. When we start getting into shooting games and everything else, you want to make sure you have something strong enough to really make it interesting in the entire concept. You know, if the weapons don't shoot hard enough, it becomes a waste of time and kind of kiddie play. You want to be able to really shoot out there, and you have to be careful, obviously. You don't want to shoot, get all this stuff out. We'll tuck this back in. You obviously don't want to hurt somebody and shoot it in their eye. And, you know, children can be very irresponsible and not know what they're doing. But, you know, this is for adults and people that get into my serious wargaming practices are going to be wearing glasses, because we're going to be using some fairly safety glasses, because we're going to be using some fairly strong shooting arrows, balls, and so forth. Catapults, crossbows. Well, we're going to be using airsoft guns in the future as well. So let's open this stuff up. Cut these bags open. Let's just get these out of the way for the time being. Here's the main. Oh, it looks like there's more than that. You've got 6 capacities to shoot. Now, that's really cool, and that makes a very advanced weapon in the process of serious wargaming. So let's get over here and look at these. Let's pour these out. Of course, this is their typical little catalog. I'll go through that quickly. Here is 3. There should be another one. 6. And you've got these rubber heads here. And these are rubber as well. So you got 6, you'd call those kind of cross bolts that you're going to shoot out. So that's pretty formidable there. Quite a bit of firepower. That's the kind of fun stuff. And of course, you know, in serious wargaming, of course, you have to account for these weapons. You have to earn them, and of course, they're vulnerable as well. Your opponents can't take them out in a serious wargame. So you lose that weapon, which could be very valuable. So let's dump this out as well. You get these, and then of course you get more of the accessories. These are for the actual figures. So we'll put that there. This looks like some sort of tools. I never keep all these little items. They're just more of a nuisance and are easily lost. So it's not something that we use in serious wargaming. So let's go over so here's the actual instructions here.